Hey guys, it's me here with Hunter, the signature fox. Yeah. Okay, but anyway, me, and is it okay if I show your face in it? Okay, Nia Loves Skittles is here. She doesn't want me to show her face in the video. Okay, there she is. There's Nia, our good old Nia. Okay, but anyway, both of us are starving. We are like starving because it's Lent right now and we can't eat meat on Fridays. And we are just like starving right now because it is like crazy. We are starving, like seriously. We FaceTimed like a while ago, but we are starving. Like we couldn't eat meat on Wednesday either because we are starving, okay? All I have in my house is meat. I have chicken soup. I have meatballs and spaghetti. It is like driving me crazy. And so is Nia. Nia, why can't we see you? It is driving us crazy right now. Okay, but anyway, I just wanted to make that video to say Nia Loves Skittles and I are starving. We are starving. Ugh. Nia, do you want to say anything? Okay. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to both of us. Bye.